Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a 4C hair wash routine. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, just totally subscribe if you're not new, that coming back. Okay, so let's get started. So what you see here, my hair is just fresh out of a braid out. Yes, it is. And I'm parting my hair in sections so that I can like comb out my hair so it won't be as hard to detangle when I'm in the shower.
Or joy. One might use such a power to destroy rather than to build up or support.
Lately I've been feeling something gotta change, and I'm tempted to get even. Someone to blame, but I don't gotta go that low. Keeping it in control. Got me on my weakest, don't know. Coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine, 'cause nobody else gonna save my life. See it so clear with my own two eyes. My eyes. I'm not broken, I'm still going up, 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 up. I'll show you I'm not broke.
Okay, so now I'm just combing out my hair with a wide tooth comb. You always want to use a wide tooth comb. You don't want to use anything smaller because it could take out your hair.
Manipulation. Ooh, why you gonna buy it again? So over all the faking, no, no. I ain't got the energy. Why you be testing me? Ooh, now I'm out of patience. Ooh, coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. 'Cause nobody else gonna save my life. See it so clear with my own two eyes. My eyes. I'm not broken, I'm still going up, 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 up. I'll show them I'm not broken, I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? I'll be my
Okay, so this is how my hair looks all combed out. Okay, very thick, very big. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm sectioning my hair into 4 sections, I believe, so that when I'm in the shower I could just do one section at a time. And I don't know what this clip is, but I just want to appreciate how thick my eyebrows were. Okay, like they need a little trim, but they look good. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. It's actually a Japanese hair mask. I got it in one of my FabFitFun boxes. So I was like, let me try this out. And it smells really good. So this was my first time trying it out. This is my first time also using the Argan Oil and Morocco shampoo from OGX. I only used the body wash from them. So yeah, I'm using the shampoo and conditioner, but extra strength. Okay, so here goes my hair in 4 sections. Okay, and so here goes how my hair looks when I'm washing it. I want to say I'm 4C. Like, I don't think I'm anything else, but that's just how my hair looks when it's wet. But I think that's only because it's product on it, which was the shampoo. Okay, so this is me. I think I had put the treatment on my hair, or I washed out the treatment. I am not sure, but after this, it's going to be time for me to blow dry my hair. Okay, so this is how my hair looks when it's drying. I have some coils in there, you know, but I don't know. It's like combination. That's what it's giving, combination. Okay, so now I'm just going to be detangling my hair. And what I do is I just go section by section. I use mantel detangler, and I just comb it real gently because I don't want to take my hair out. Okay, so what I'm using right here is actually a it's like a detangler brush, but it's a straightener, so it like straightens, blow dries your hair while it's detangling it. Or I don't know, it's like a blow dry straightener. And I decided to get one of these because like it takes me forever to blow dry my hair. So I was like, why not get a brush built inside of a straightener or a blow dryer or whatever. So I bought this from Target. It was like $20 or $30, I believe, and it works amazing. Actually, I got a whole video coming out on that soon. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks when it's blow dried. It still looks very thick, but that's because I have a lot of hair. Okay, one day I'll achieve like a good blow dry out, but not right now. And this is just to show how my hair has grown. Like I used to have a short bang, and it's literally back to the same size. And I like to just top off my hair with some Jamaican black castor oil, you know, to just seal in everything.
On dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own. Okay,
so it's the next day, like literally the next morning, and I'm using the Chai Time Barbie. It's like silk infusion. And I'm just putting that on my hair, and then I'm going to use the Chai Heat Protectant, which is the iron guard, and I'm going to spray that on my hair so I won't get heat damage.
I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me.
And the flat iron that I'm using is the Chai or Chi flat
I
iron.
like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I was yours.
Okay, so this is how my hair looks blow dried. I mean straightened. Gosh, I'm tired, y'all. So now I'm using the straightening comb to like just get all to flatten it more, because like I'm not a hairstylist. I do not know how to straighten my hair bone straight. Okay, I just do what I can. Okay, so this is the final look. This is how I do my hair routine. I just wore my hair out this day because, you know, I didn't feel like braiding it up. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more hair videos like this. And yeah, I have a candle company. Go buy some of my candles, okay? Link is in the description. And I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.
Sexy. It's on you.